There's a smarter move than returning. Use the return window to get cash back without boxing anything. I'll show the incentive math behind price adjustments and give you the exact script that gets matched fast.
Quick setup. You bought headphones for $179 last week. Today, they're $149. Most people start a return. There's a faster win. Here's the core. Support agents can price adjust only while the item is returnable. Your window equals your leverage window. Why they'll say yes. Reverse logistics, shipping, handling, refurb, often costs more than refunding the difference. Another reason? Teams are measured to cut returns and keep satisfaction high. A clean adjustment scores both KPIs. Policy varies by retailer, but many publish a 7 to 30-day price adjust window, and others match quietly via chat. Step 1. Know your dates. Add a reminder 2 days before your return window closes for anything over $25. Step 2. Capture artifacts. Receipt or order ID, the current URL, and a time-stamped screenshot of the lower price. Step 3. Open chat or call support while you're still within the window. Start with a simple, respectful ask. Use this exact line. I'm within the return window and prefer a price adjustment instead of returning. Can you match the current price? If they push back, escalate once. Ask a supervisor to review. Adjusting is cheaper than processing a return. Still no? Start the return. Most agents will offer to match immediately to avoid the reverse logistics costs. Edge case. Coupon only drops. Ask to apply the coupon retroactively or issue store credit for the difference. Bundles or BOGO. Request a partial credit equal to the effective price difference on the main item. In-store pickup versus online. Ask them to honor the online price for the same SKU. Many do when you ask directly. Timing tip. Start the conversation during business hours for faster supervisor approvals and same-day refunds. Keep it calm and factual. Agents are people with targets. Your polite clarity makes saying yes easier. Track your wins. A few adjustments over a year can cover a utility bill or subscription without extra errands. Let's quantify. If returns cost $12 to $25 to process, a $15 adjustment is often the cheaper route for the retailer. Remember, keep packaging intact until the window closes. It keeps your leverage credible if you need to initiate a return. For big-ticket items, check if your credit card includes price protection. Some cards reimburse drops within a time frame. Create a simple template you can paste into chat. Saves time and keeps the request precise every time. If you need the item now, avoid return and rebuy out-of-stock risk by securing the adjustment before initiating returns. Pro move, monitor prices with a simple alert tool so you don't miss drops within your window. This isn't confrontation, it's alignment. You're helping the retailer avoid costs while getting the fair current price. Summary: know your window, keep artifacts, ask to adjust, escalate once, initiate return if needed. Most matches land before that. Key takeaway: your leverage exists only while the return window is open. Act before it closes. Bonus: if the price drops again within the window, you can ask for a second adjustment. Policies often allow one per drop. You now have the script and the system. Next time the price falls, don't return. Leverage.
Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this brought you useful insights and a fresh perspective that supports you on your financial journey. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. I wish you success on your journey. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.